Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I'm Ghazan from Ghazan's English and today we are going to learn some abbreviations. What is abbreviation? Abbreviation is a shortened form of a word or a phrase, okay? But before we go on, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Love you all. Let's go. First one is I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. IDK. I don't know. By the way. By the way. By the way. BTW. By the way. By the way. To be honest. To be honest. To be honest. To be honest. TBH. To be honest. For your information. For your information. For your information. FYI. For your information. Be right back. Be right back. Be right back. Be right back. BRB. Be right back. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. JK. Just kidding. In real life. In real life. In real life. IRL. In real life. IRL. And last one is let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. LMK. Let me know. Okay, the lesson is over. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Tell me which one of those abbreviations you didn't know in the comments below. Okay? Love y'all. Take care and have fun. Bye.